Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Basumatari. Former Assam Cabinet Minister Chandan Brahma's political shift creates ripples in state politics. Chandan Brahma, a prominent figure in Assam's political landscape, has recently made a surprising move that has reverberated through the state's political circles. A stalwart of the Bodoland People's Front, (PPF), Brahma's defection to the United People's Party Liberal (UPPL) just days before the Lok Sabha elections has sent shockwaves and disrupted the established order. Chandan Brahma was a leader of the now disbanded Bodo Liberation Tiger (BLT). The BLT played a crucial role in the signing of the BTC Accord in 2003. This historic agreement led to the creation of the Bodoland Territorial Council under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. His early political career began as the deputy chief of the interim council, and in 2005 he secured a seat in the council. Over the years, Brahma rose to prominence within the BPF. He became a 3-time cabinet minister, serving twice in alliance with the Congress and once with the Bharatiya Janata Party. However, his recent defeat in the Sidli constituency hinted at waning popularity among his constituents. Following his electoral setback, Chandan Brahma remained relatively silent for nearly 3 years. Speculation about his next move intensified, fueled by internal discord and a perceived lack of recognition within the BPF. On April 12th, in Kazulgaon, Chirang district, Chandan Brahma formally joined United People's Party Liberal. His decision marks a significant departure from his political roots and has left many wondering about his future career in politics. It will be intriguing to observe how the UPPL accommodates Chandan Brahma within their party and how this move shapes the political landscape of the region. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, keep watching Easternparadigm.
Welcome to Kids World. Located in Cockroach Town, our preschool has been nurturing young minds since 2014. With dedicated teachers and a personalized curriculum for playground, nursery, and KG levels, we ensure your child's developmental needs are met. Safety, security, and hygiene are our priorities, offering parents peace of mind. Our spacious campus provides a serene environment for children to thrive.
गोदी में उठाकर उनको प्यार करना, उनको चॉकलेट्स देते हैं और उनके साथ खेलते हैं. जब तक I like about this school is they make the children feel very comfortable.
Enroll today and watch your child blossom into a confident learner at Kids World, where learning meets fun.